Hi guys, today we are going to see hybridization techniques. How many bond pairs will be there, how many lone pair will be there, what is the hybridization for that, what is the shape, angle, and what is the name of that shape, and what is the point group, and some of the examples also we are going to see detailedly in each and every one. Okay, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you will get all the videos of coming weeks. Okay, first 3 bond pairs. Okay, if it is a 3 bond pair is there means what will be the shape? That is 3 bond pair, 1 2 3, 3 bond pairs will be there. So what will be the angle? This is the shape. So what will be the angle? This is 120 degree. This is 120 degree angle. So name of this is what? Name of the geometry is trigonal planar. Example BF3, or if you want to say a point group D3H. This H is a horizontal plane. Okay, and the next one, this 3 bond pair is there. Okay, 3 bond pair is there. In that, one will be the lone pair, means what is the hybridization? So this if it is hybridization, I want to say, 3 bond pair means what is the hybridization? Hybridization is sp2 hybridization. What is the hybridization? sp2 hybridization. sp2, 1 2 3. Okay, sp2 hybridization. If instead of 3, if one is lone pair, okay, what is that second one? One is lone pair. 2 bond pair plus 1 lone pair. Here I am going to write 1 lone pair. 2 bond pair as it is there. 1 lone pair. Due to this bond pair and the lone pair repulsion, the angle is little bit, lesser than 120. Less than 120 degrees. Due to the lone pair and the bond pair repulsion. What is the shape of this? See, what is the shape? Bent shape. V shape. Bent, or you can say as V shape. Okay. What is the example for this? SO2 we can say, and O3 we can say. And the next one, if it is 4 bond pair, these are all 3 bond pairs I explained. That's it. Okay. Now it goes to 4. 3 is over. If it is 4 bond pair, so what is that? sp3, 4. Okay, sp2 here, sp3 here. So what will be the shape of this? 4 means it should be like this, equally. Okay, this is what is that? Tetrahedral shape. What is the angle of these all the sides? What is the angle of all the sides? 109 degrees Celsius. Okay, 109.5. Okay, 109 degrees Celsius. This is tetrahedral. We can write it as like this, tetrahedral. Example is CH4. What is the point group? It is CH4. And what is the point group for this is tetrahedral. We can write it like this also here. Okay, tetrahedral point group. And for this point group is C2V. C2V. V should be similar to this height. Okay, H also similar to this height. And the next one of the bond pair is replaced with a lone pair. What will be the case? So 3 bond pair plus 1 lone pair. 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. See here, 1 lone pair and 3 bond pair. What will be the angle? Here also little bit lesser than 109. Due to the bond pair and the lone pair and the bond pair repulsion. And the shape will be, this is trigonal, this is pyramidal. So trigonal, pyramidal. Trigonal pyramid. Okay, trigonal pyramid. And the example is ammonia. Okay, example is ammonia. And the next one, so point group. Okay, C3V point group. If it is replaced with 2 lone pairs, what will be the case? 2 bond pair is replaced with 2 lone pairs. If it is a 2 lone pair, it looks to be here also one lone pair, here also one lone pair. It should be like a V bend shaped. Okay, bend shaped, and here also one lone pair, here also one lone pair will be there. Okay, and this again, this is also, what is that? Less than that of 105, 109. Okay, still lesser than this. Okay, this is also V shape or bent. This is an example for H2O molecule. The point group is same, C2V. Third case, so 4 bond pairs are there. In that, first one bond is replaced with 1 lone pair electrons, and a 2 bond is replaced with 2 lone pair electrons. Okay. In all these cases, the hybridization is, what is that? On all these cases, for this the hybridization is sp3. For this the hybridization is sp3. Don't forget, this is also hybridization is sp3. Here the hybridization is sp2. Okay. Here also the hybridization is sp3. Now this is over. The next one, 5, 3, 4 and 5. 5 bond pair. If it is a 5, all the 5 bond pair means, what is the hybridization? sp3d. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. sp3d. What is the structure? In the same way, it should be trigonal planar like this, and should be like this. Okay, this is the shape. The angle, the 2 angles are there. Here it is 90, here it is 120. In these 3, in these to this, and this to this, and this to this, these are all 120. And this angle is 90. Okay, one is 90, another one is 120. 2 angles are there. What is the shape of this? What is the name of the shape? Trigonal bipyramidal. This is trigonal bipyramidal. Here trigonal pyramidal. Trigonal is there. Only one pyramid is there. Here 2 pyramid. So trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. What is the example for this? It should be 5. Okay, 5 PF5 or PCl5, anything else. Okay, 5 bond pair will be there. What is the point group for this? D3H. In the same way, this and this are similar. This is symmetry like this only. Okay, if the same shape is there, extend to that. If any 2 elements extend to the same symmetry, if it is there, means the same point group is also remains. Okay, if you see here also in C2V point group, this is the same shape. So the same point group is carry forward. The second one, instead of 5 bond pair, one of the bond pair is replaced with 1 lone pair. So it should be 4 bond pair plus 1 lone pair. Okay, 1 lone pair. What will be the shape? See here one of the bond pair is replaced with lone pair. It looks to be symmetry. So I'm replacing this bond pair as lone pair. Okay, should be like this. This bond pair I'm replacing as lone pair. So it looks to be what shape? It looks to be seesaw shape. It looks to be seesaw. What is that angle now? Here lone pair is there. As I said in the earlier case also, the lone pair and the bond pair, a repulsion is there. So it is less than 90 and less than 120. Okay, less than 90 and less than 120. Example for this is SF4 will be there. 4 bond pair will be there. So one of the lone pair for sulfur. Okay, and what is the point group? This is also C2V point group. This is also same. As I said earlier, see here, this is there and 2 lines are there in the same symmetry. Only 1 line is not there. Equally 2 lines are going in the same way. Okay, if it is there, that is carry forward the same point group. Okay, this is also C2V. And the next one is, instead of 4 bond pair, 3 bond pairs plus 2 lone pair. Okay, 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. So see here, the hybridization is same only. Everywhere the hybridization doesn't change. Hybridization is the same only. Only the structure will change according to the lone pair. Okay, according to the lone pair, the structure will change. You have to keep this a base structure. With the help of this base structure and the lone pair, you need to write the name of the structure. Okay, name of the shape. The second one, two lone pairs are there. Instead of writing here, instead of drawing the lone pair over here, I'm going to draw over here. This looks to be symmetry compared to this. Why? These two are in the same angle. These two are in the same angle. Okay, that's why I'm going to draw a lone pair over here. See here. I'm going to draw lone pair over here. So this looks to be like a T shape. This is also less than 90. And this looks to be like a T shape of geometry. And so as it is also C2V point group, and the example is CLF3. So three bond pair is there. Okay, C2V point group. This is, if you see that, the structure will not be changed at all. Okay, whether like this, see, like this it is there, here also like this, and here also seesaw, and everywhere it to carry forward the point group is also same. And the next one is two bond pair. 2 bond pair plus 3 lone pair. What will be the case? So 3 here it is there. These 3 are same, you know, these 3 bond angles are same. So I'm going to draw this. So this I'll keep it as it is. 3 lone pairs. I'm drawing like this. So what is the shape now? Linear. If it is a linear shape, what would be the angle? 180 degree. Okay. This linear 180 degree will be, two things are there in that. One is symmetric linear will be there, symmetric molecule will be there, and unsymmetric molecule will be there. If it is a symmetric, the point group is different. If it is unsymmetric, the point group is different. Okay, that's why I'm making two division, and that example also I'll write it different. If it is a symmetric, the point group will be D infinity H and C infinity H for unsymmetric. What is an example? Symmetry means both the atoms will be same. Okay, then that is CO2 we can write. Okay, I'll write one over here. I don't have a space, so I'll write one CO2. And for a C infinity H, unsymmetric will be there. Both the sides will not be the same. Okay, for example, we can take it as HC. And if you see that here N, here it's hydrogen. Okay, this is not same. Both the side it is different. It's unsymmetric, and the point group is C infinity B. Oh, sorry, C infinity B. Not H, C infinity. And the next one is, now 5 bond pair is over. Now we are going to see 6. 6 bond pair. 6 bond pair is sp3d2. 4, 5, 6. This sp3d2 is divided into 2 ways. Okay, one is actually one we can say sp3d2, otherwise d2sp3. 2 ways we can say, but the diagram is the same only. That what is the structure will be same, but this is the octahedral complex. Okay, I'll write like this. I'll write one metal so that on all the sides we can join properly. Octahedral complex. Okay, is the octahedral complex. The angle of these is 90 degree. Don't forget, angle is 90 degree. This is octahedral geometry, point group OH. And the example for this is SF6. 6 bond pairs will be there. So 6 fluorine atom. Here sulfur will be there. Here 4 fluorine, and here 1 fluorine. Here 1 fluorine. 6 fluorine atoms will be there. Here it is the example. And actually one more thing. This is the normal one. Okay, if it is go to the complex structures. Okay, if you go to the complex structures, it may be a D2 sp3d2 or D2 sp3. How these two are get different? The inner orbital and outer orbital, like that, these two get differs. If it is a ligand which is having a strong ligand and weak ligand, if the ligand is a strong, then it leads to pairing. Okay, so what will happen? Inner pairing will take place, so D to sp3 will happen. If the ligand is a weak, so what will happen? The ligand is not going for the pairing, so that will go for a high spin, so it's a outer orbitals, so that will be sp3 D2. So I'll give you the example alone for these two. For this one, I'll write it over here. For this, what is an example, and for this, what is an example? For sp3d2, so it should be weak ligand, okay, because it's an outer orbital. All the fluorine, chlorine, bromine and all weak ligand, so I'll write like this. Only one is sufficient. I don't have a space to write, so I'll write only one for example only. For spectrochemical series, if you check the spectrochemical series, the ligand is a weak ligand. Okay, if it is a weak ligand, the pairing will not take place. So what will happen? It's an outer orbital. So inner orbital means the ligand should be strong. For example, the same, I'll take it with the help of the CN. This is strong ligand, this is weak ligand. To differentiate this, help you to make it. Okay. Remaining everything is okay. Now I'm going to change this. Instead of 6 bond pair, 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. The same sp3d2 only. What is that? 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. 1 I'm going to make it as a lone pair. Okay, whether here or here I'm going to make it. Metal is there, so 4 1 is there, 1 bond pair is there. So this will get joined and this will get joined. Okay, this is the lone pair. And what will happen because of this lone pair is less than 90 degrees Celsius, and this is also octahedral. Okay, the point group octahedral I have written. Okay, this is the octahedral point group, but here this shape is not there. Instead of that, lone pair is there. So what will happen? This is a square and this is pyramid. So this is a square pyramidal. What is the shape? Square pyramidal. And example for this is C4b. C4b point group. Example for this is BRF5. And the next one, 4 bond pair plus 2 lone pair. Both the side the lone pair will come as usual. This should be as it is. This is lone pair and this is lone pair, and shape will be there. What is this? This is only square planar. Okay, this is a square. I said na square, and this is a pyramid. Here only square planar is there. So shape is square planar. What is the angle of the square planar? 90 degree. What is this one? And square planar example. So first point group. Point group is D4H. D4H. And what is that? Example is xenon F4. Okay, any complex. Thank you. Thanks for watching.